In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Capcut Watermark from your video. If you've noticed a watermark showing up when you export from Capcut on your PC or laptop, don't worry. This usually happens for two reasons. Either the automatic Capcut ending clip got added to your timeline, or your project includes pro assets that require a paid plan. I'm going to walk you through safe, legitimate ways to get a clean export without downloading anything from untrusted sites or trying to bypass licensing, which can be risky and may violate the app's terms. Start by opening your project and scrubbing to the very end of the timeline. Look for a short clip labeled CapCut or any branded outro. If you see it, select it and delete it. That alone removes the most common watermark that appears at the tail of your video. If there's a setting called Add CapCut ending in your preferences or export window, make sure it's turned off so it doesn't come back on future projects. Next, scan your timeline, media bin, and effects for items marked with a crown icon or labeled Pro. These include certain filters, fonts, stock footage, music, and effects. Replace any Pro items with free alternatives. If a single Pro asset is present, CapCut may watermark the export or block a clean render. The easiest way to check is to remove suspected items one by one and try a short test export. If you're still seeing a watermark, make sure you're running the latest official CapCut for Windows from the CapCut website or your operating system's app store. Uninstalling and reinstalling from the official source can fix glitches and remove old settings that force a watermark. On Windows, go to the Control Panel, open Programs and Features, uninstall CapCut, then download and install it again from the official site. Before uninstalling, back up any custom fonts, LUTs, or local project files you've added to CapCut so you can restore them later. After reinstalling, sign in with your account. If you have a Pro subscription, the watermark should disappear automatically. If you're on the free plan, stick to free assets only. Do a quick test, create a new project, add your own clip, avoid Pro effects, and export. You should get a clean file with no watermark. Finally, when you export, double check your settings, pick your preferred resolution and bitrate, and confirm that no CapCut branding is toggled on. That's it, clean, safe, and reliable. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.